A new month means it is time for a brand new sheet load of cards. Stick around to see the printable, my first set, and find out how you can download it for free. Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month here on my channel, I share a brand new free card making printable. It gives you a new sketch, supply list, and cutting guides to make the most of your products and yield a sheet load of cards. Today, I will be sharing a look at the new printable and the first set of cards I made using it, and telling you at the end of the video how you can download it if you're a subscriber to my channel. Tomorrow, I will be back to show you how I made that first set and give you some great tips along the way. Also, tomorrow, my creative team will be joining me and sharing their first sets for the month. Up on screen now is a look at the team that is joining me for the last half of 2026. Unfortunately, last term, Tracy did need to step down in the middle of the term, and we are going to miss her. But make sure to keep subscribed to her channel because she is still sharing some super inspirational videos over there. Although the team does look a little bit different for the last half of the year, I know that they will continue to surprise and inspire you with what they create each month. Make sure if you're not yet already subscribed to everyone that you do that so you're all ready for tomorrow, and you can find their channels linked in that description box below. Now, another exciting thing for the last half of the year is I have invited some special guests to join us from time to time. So I cannot wait to share them, and maybe their channels are new to you, and see what they create with upcoming sheet load of cards as well. Why don't we go ahead and take a look at the new printable for July 2026. The July 2026 sheet load of cards is going to show you how to make 9 A2 cards using just 6 pieces of 6x6 pattern paper and some cardstock. And as always, if you don't want to make the full sheet load, maybe you want to try it out, or you have some scraps, you do have the single piece dimensions here in the middle, and there is an assembly note for you. Because it is 3 different patterns, you are going to mix and match those for your final cards, and tomorrow, again, I will tell you more about that. One of the fun things about sheet load of cards is it is a jumping off point or a starting place for your creations. I always love for you to make these your own, whether you want to rotate the sketch, maybe do a die cut ephemera, change the shape of that focal point. The possibilities are endless, and I'm pretty sure in tomorrow's hop that we are going to see that with my creative team members' videos. Page 2 of the printable, as always, is going to show you how to cut each of your pattern papers and cardstocks. Makes it easy peasy to get your finished set. And speaking of that first set, let's take a look at the main supplies you'll see me use in tomorrow's video. I decided to go with a Christmas in July theme this month, so I chose 6 pieces of pattern paper from the Honeybee Stamps Vintage Holiday Paper Pad. In tomorrow's video, I will also be discussing what to do if you don't want to choose 2 sets of the same 3 pieces, so make sure to stop back by. For my sentiment, I chose green tea ink from Tailored Expressions. I thought it went nicely with some of the greens in the pattern paper. And I used the Merry Christmas from Brutus Monroe's Holiday Sentiment Stamp Set. To go with kind of the vintage feel of the pattern papers, I'm also matting with craft cardstock. And tomorrow I will tell you about other supplies and tools I also use for the set. And speaking of that, why don't we go ahead and take a look at my first set of cards for July 2026. I hope you enjoyed that look at my first set of cards using the July 2026 sheet load of cards. As always, if you did, a thumbs up is appreciated. Don't forget to come back tomorrow to see how I made this first set and what my team created. And now let me tell you how you can download the free printable. If you would like to make your own sheet load of cards using the July 2026 printable, as always, I do ask that you're subscribed to my channel before you click on the download link, which I'll tell you where that's at here in just a minute. I don't make you send me any proof. We do just go on the honor system, and subscribing is free, quick, and easy. You will find the link to the July 2026 sheet load of cards for the next 2 years down in the description box right below my P.O. box address. Below the link it will say to watch the video for a password, but you watching this far is your password. You can download it to your device and print it out like I have, or you can download it to your device and use it on screen. And don't forget, if you're going to show us your sheet load and share on social media, to use the hashtags at the top of the printable. Until tomorrow, when I will be back with the process video and my creative team will be joining me with their first sets, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.